there is a tactic out there in the market right now where they'll use a homeowner's emergency, whether it's a broken air conditioner or a backed up septic line, to create opportunities to upsell in areas that are unnecessary. Mm-hmm. What's y'all's take on that? I mean,
Well, I think I can speak for everyone at our company, but I'm going to speak from the heart right here. The first and foremost, use your gut. If you feel uncomfortable, there's already a problem. You shouldn't feel uncomfortable. You shouldn't feel pressured. If any of that's going on, stop what's going on. If you've worked with the company for a long period of time, ask for a manager, ask for a different technician, whatever you've got to do to feel comfortable, ask for a second opinion, get another company out, see what's going on. But if you feel uncomfortable, things are going in a direction you're just unsure of, you've got to stop.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.